What's up guys, for today's video we're going to put to the test primitive fire starter kit. Let's see what this thing is all about. Boom, we got here steel, very nice. I guess it's a little cloth pieces, so I guess it's easier to start a fire with that stuff. This is just my guess, maybe I'll read the instruction. Nice, right here is a flint, a little stone right here that whenever you're going to strike it on each other, it's going to give off sparks. This is why it's called primitive. I don't know if you can see it right now, it's kind of bright. Maybe I'll go somewhere into the shade and do this. But you grab one of these sharp corners of the rocks and hold it like this and strike it. Oh yeah, definitely see a lot of sparks. Very nice. Maybe I should put safety glasses on just in case. But also came with one of these ropes, I guess to start a fire with. And right here, but yep, chalk cloth rope. There's a different kind of chalk cloth all the time. This one is just rope. So let's try to start it up and see if it's actually going to work. I wish it was all in one piece, but I guess the rock was a little bit too big, could not fit into the tin foil, which is fine. Let me show it to you in the dark when it strikes. Look how much sparks there is when you're in the dark. And this is what we're going to use, these sparks, to start a fire. As you can see, comes off a lot of sparks. By the way, you gotta do it on a sharp side of the rock. And slowly the rock will chip away. I really like that they give me a big piece of rock, so it's going to last me a while. The sharper it is, the more sparks you'll have. Look at the sparks, crazy. So that's the amount of spark we're going to use to start a fire. Get the idea, right? Now what you want to do is open up this chalk cloth and take off one piece. Maybe this is even too much. Just one hair like that and save it. You can also buy the chalk cloth or make it yourself. I'll put links in description how to make it. But there you go. You put your chalk cloth where you're going to strike it like this. And then we're going to strike it. And that's it. It's already burning. Then we're gonna get one of these pieces and blow it. This is just hot. So I guess you need like tinder, like coconut husk or something like this. Put it together and shake it till it starts burning. There you go, and there's fire. So as you can see, very easy way to start a fire. What you can even use is grab this rope and fluff it up and use it as a fire starter as well. But I prefer coconut husk than this rope. Now let's try to use this layer parts. Same thing, let's see if it's going to light up on fire by smashing it like this. I think this stuff is really good to start a fire with as well. Let's find out. Again, lay it next to the rock like this and just strike it. Nope, this one not as good. This is why you need chalk cloth. Chalk cloth, as soon as you get one drop of this spark onto your chalk cloth, it's going to light up. I think then you put this chalk cloth into this pod and then you get even more fire because it's giving off a lot of spark. It's just not lighting up this stuff. So the ideal thing to do is get the chalk cloth like this. Another small piece, don't have to waste the whole rope. You can even get one piece like that. And it's going to last you many fires if you only use one piece at a time. Gonna get a little bit of coconut husk again. And fluff it up even a little bit, but I'd keep it together, then you find a sharp corner of this rock, and laying like that, you char cloth or char rope, whatever you want to call it, and then strike it, and boom, couple of strikes, and guess what, it's already light up. Where's my coconut husk right here? Put it inside there, shake it once again. So as you can see, actually very easy way to start a fire, and we got the fire going. This is definitely awesome way to start a fire. Let me see if we don't have a char cloth. Will it start a fire with just coconut husk? Let's find out. Got here a ton of a coconut husk like this in the corner on a sharp edge right here. See what happens. Hold the steel like that and strike it. Definitely see a lot of sparks, but not lighting up the coconut husk. This is why it's the best to do it with char cloth. And once again, you see how big is the difference once you get this char cloth. All you need is one spark to land on this char cloth. It's going to get it on fire. Once again, I'm going to put the links in description if you want to know how to make char cloth. Put it like that, strike it one more time, there you go, and then it lights up. Coconut husk, put it together, and we got fire. Very easy. So there you go guys, primitive fire. You got here char cloth, a little rock flint, and the steel. It's a really cool kit that you can practice fire starting with yourself. Also, I would get online coconut husk. That stuff is so awesome to start a fire with. Definitely never fails for me, so I stuck with that stuff all the time. Anyways guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this primitive fire starter kit. I really like it. Definitely a fun way to practice to start a fire with. Definitely a different way for sure, that you probably haven't tried it before. So I would recommend it if you're into this kind of stuff. I'm definitely had fun learning how it works, and it's pretty easy to use. I was pretty surprised. I did not think it would give off so many sparks. So definitely a thumbs up for me. Love this product. And of course, don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.